Paperform offers an inbuilt image editor. Easily edit your images and beautify your forms using a variation of tools. We can edit our images by first uploading an image to our form. When editing an image that lay within the body of our form, we simply click on the image and select the pencil icon. Likewise, when we want to edit product images, we select that pencil icon we see in the top left corner. If we want to edit any other image type within our form, all we need to do is simply select the image. Once we have opened the image editor, we can navigate through each editing mode, which will show us individual editing tools. With annotate mode selected, we can use the Sharpie, line, arrow, rectangle, and ellipse tools to draw lines and shapes on top of our image, as well as modify their color and style. The eraser tool will allow us to remove a Sharpie or line marking we previously created, while the text tool allows us to insert text on top of our image using various stylization options, including font, font style, size, line height, and color. Our images can be cropped by, you guessed it, selecting crop mode. We also have the ability to rotate and flip our image using this mode. Maybe you are not entirely into the style of your image. We can enhance our image by selecting filter mode and use one of the beautiful filters on offer. Jumping into fine-tune mode, it is here that you can focus on the details and modify the appearance of your image. We can modify the image's brightness, temperature, alter the saturation, as well as the vignette, and so much more. We can select resize mode to alter the dimensions, that is, the width and height of our image. However, this will only alter the dimensions of the originally uploaded image, not the dimensions of the image from within your form. Changes can be undone using the undo button, and if you preferred the image before you begun editing, then click the revert button found in the top left corner of the image editor. Once you are happy with the changes you've made to your image, click done. We hope this has been a helpful video. Good luck and happy form making.